I'm Sarah Liu. I'm the owner and head chef at Parlor City Vegan at 81 Clinton Street in Binghamton. This is one of our new menu offerings. It's called the Korean Club Sandwich. We make almost everything from scratch here in-house, and we do try to make almost all of our bread in-house as well. So we start with some gochujang aioli that we've made here in-house. So this is a little bit different from your traditional club sandwich. There's a nice kick. So after we put our sauce on, we're gonna use some organic greens. We add some cucumbers. After our cucumbers, we like to add our house-made kimchi. We have our house-marinated gochujang tofu. So we marinate this for 24 hours in our own gochujang marinade. And then you have this really beautiful sandwich with all these layers of flavor. And then here at the restaurant, we like to beautifully present the club sandwich with whatever side the guest chooses right in the center. So in this case, we have some nice greens, and that is our Korean club sandwich. So this is our house-made, scratch-made vegan kimchi. Usually traditional kimchi contains fish. So this is a little different, but we still managed to get the same funk with our vegan kimchi. And then this will actually ferment and age for 24 to 48 hours, and it looks like this. So we use this on our Korean club sandwich and in a lot of our Korean-inspired dishes. So our next dish is our cream cheese garlic bread. We start with our cream cheese, which we made earlier this morning. This is nut-based. We have these really beautiful local garlic scapes that we purchased from the farmer's market. Then we take our garlic bread. So we bake these buns in-house. We're going to stuff the bread with our garlic scape cream cheese. And I like to use a really generous amount of the cream cheese when I'm stuffing the garlic bread, so it makes a really nice ooey gooey, cheesy garlic bread. This is some seasoned butter that we've had melting on the stove. There are a bunch of herbs in this, there's some garlic, and you just coat the entire bread with this delicious butter. And then the garlic bread's popped into the oven for 10 minutes at 350 degrees. Until the inside's nice and gooey, and then it's ready to serve. What we do here is unique because it's entirely plant-based. We're the only 100% vegan restaurant in Binghamton and one of the few in upstate New York and the southern tier at large. So everything we make here excludes animal products. So we don't use meat, we don't use dairy, no honey. Everything we make is plant-based.
Tastes like chicken, but it's vegan. It's the Spicy Hen at Parlor City Vegan. Chicken fried mushrooms and a spicy sauce on a house-baked bun.
Our menu is globally eclectic, so we include a lot of Asian fusion dishes on our menu, dishes that I have been fortunate enough to learn how to create from traveling, and my husband's family is Chinese, so we've been able to include a lot of their recipes in our cuisine as well. We do have traditional American dishes on the menu as well, so there's really something for everyone on our menu. So we founded Parlor City Vegan in 2016, and the reason that we started Parlor City Vegan was because my father actually experienced a severe heart attack. And as he was recovering, I brought him vegan meals, and he really seemed to enjoy them, even though for years he had been teasing me for being vegan. He loved them, so I figured if they helped him, maybe they could help other people in the community. And so we actually started a booth at the Broome County Farmers Market. And our first day at the farmers market, we completely sold out of everything, much to our surprise. And Parlor City Vegan was born after that.
I'm Amy Williamson. On behalf of the Greater Binghamton Chamber of Commerce, the Cornell Cooperative Extension of Broome County, and the Southern Tier Independent Restaurants, thank you so much for watching our Savor the Flavors video.